Hey guys, Diecast Direct, and today we'll be reviewing the Lamborghini Murcielago from Burago. Before I get into the review, I just want to say, link in the description, the very first one, you know what it's going to be, the Hot Wheels giveaway. So pretty much I'm doing a Hot Wheels giveaway to celebrate me hitting the 100 subscriber mark, which is honestly a pretty amazing thing. And to celebrate, I'm going to give away a free Hot Wheels. So first link in the description if you want some free Hot Wheels. Because who wouldn't want some free That's free Hot Wheels. I know I would definitely want some free Hot Wheels. And all you have to do is 5 things, but all of them can be done in the YouTube app or on their website, doesn't really matter. Let's get into the review. And maybe that's pretty much the reason you came here, or because you're one of my daily viewers. Hit the subscribe button right now if you are not subscribed already. Join the movement, join Diecast Direct, be a part of the family, and hit the like button. Today's goal is 10 likes. I've never done this, 10 likes. If we can hit 10 likes, then I'm doing another Diecast car Lamborghini review. Let's get into the video. Now this car has some awesome doors because there's a little lock button on it. Right there, okay, and when we push the lock button, when we push the lock button, the door should come up. There we go, okay, yeah. On the inside, you can see it's a very nice white type of color right there. And then let's take a look at the driver's side. On the driver's side, let me pop this door right open. On the driver's side, you can see also very, very detailed. The Burago models are highly detailed, and they just look amazing. On the back, we can see it says Lamborghini with a license plate and some very nice exhausts. Let's take a look at the engine. In the engine, you see we have a very nice, what is it? I believe it's V12 engine. Yes, I think all Lamborghini Murcielagos are V12. Unless there's such thing as a base Murcielago, which I don't know. If you have the money to buy a Murcielago, I don't think you would be buying a base. Now this car has increased over the few years in value. There's some on Auto Trader and lots of other apps, and can we get an and count down there? That's crazy. And well, basically they are worth way more than they were originally, and I'm gonna stop saying and. Now I just want to take a few seconds to show how detailed this car actually is. Right there you see it says V12 6.2 liter. Wow, oh my gosh, the quality of this new camera. I got a new camera, guys, by the way. But if you see there's some bad quality, when I'm filming there might be some bad quality times, and that's most likely going to be my older camera. Because sometimes charging is an issue. A lot of you people out there probably know that charging is an issue. Right there you can also see the Lamborghini logo and the license plate. Again, charging is an issue for some people, especially with cameras. You got to do the videos, and even if you forget to turn it off, that wastes a ton of battery. And that's happened to me a couple of times, I'm not gonna lie. So on the bottom of this, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. On the bottom of this, you can see how it says Burago Murcielago 118 made in Italy. Cars that are made in Italy are high quality, freaking amazing cars. I'm just excited about this. I can't get over the fact that I have one of these. And it's crazy, this car doesn't run the best. If you look at the front tire, it's a little, it's definitely a little having some difficulty running, but overall, I'm not gonna lie, this car is probably the best 118 scale I've reviewed. Second link in the description, or just a few other links in the description. I have reviewed other various 118 models, Mercedes, and a bunch of other cool ones. So just they'll be in the links. If you want to check those out, they're pretty cool. But I don't know if they're as detailed as this particular model. This would pretty much wrap up the review. I don't know what else to say other than this car is like the best 118 scale I have. Comment below if you have one of these, because this is crazy. I've never seen this one that close. Like, I had it and I'm just like, I gotta do a review. And the amount of detail that goes into this is just really amazing. Look at this. They even put, sorry, one second. That was like a pretty unnecessary montage right there. But you can see it says Murcielago right there. This camera is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. This camera is pretty amazing. Other than that, this will pretty much wrap the review of the Lamborghini Murcielago from Burago. Now, I know that Maisto makes the exact same models also as well, but I believe Maisto, Burago, they're the same exact thing. No difference. I believe I think it's one company. Also, they have lots of cooler models. I'm not gonna really say which are my favorite, because then what if they're not your favorite? I don't want to make nobody mad here. I just really like this model. And other than that, this pretty much sums up the review of the Lamborghini Murcielago from Burago. I just want to thank you guys again for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support that's been given to me this past year and 2 years of me doing my YouTube channel. And that's why I'm doing the 100 subscriber giveaway. So it's the second link in the description. First, make that the first link. It's the first link in the description. Here's the Lamborghini. I don't know what else to say about it. This is the most nicest model I've ever seen. Again, 10 likes and I'll do another diecast car model review. And other than that, I will have to see you in the next one. Here's a few videos you might want to check out. No, I'm not rushing. I'm just trying to speak fast, because sometimes I do get kind of boring in my videos, and I don't want that. I want it different. Again, there's the videos in the middle. There's a my little logo there. You want to just click that and you'll be subscribed. That's how easy it is. 1 or 2 clicks and you'll be subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. This is probably one of the coolest models I've ever seen. This would have to wrap up the review, by the way. And I will have to see you in the next one. Also, stay tuned for this weekend. I'm posting Hot Wheels hunting. Crazy, isn't that crazy? Hope you guys like this video and subscribe.